long time no see. I think it's been like 2 or 3 weeks since my last video. I've just been so busy getting a new job, figuring out what I had to do to walk across that stage, all of that. So I've just been real busy, haven't had the time to, you know, make content for you guys. But we're back. I know I just did a poll asking what y'all wanted my next job to be, and it was gonna be a get ready with me and a shop with me, transitioning from my last job to the next job. You feel me? So for the most part, my skin is like clear. I only break out, you know, around that time of the month. You know, everybody gets random breakouts. It's normal. That don't mean you don't take care of your skin. But the only problem I have with my skin on the daily is just my dark marks, my dark circles, acne scars, stuff like that. So what I do in the shower, I switch between these two products, which is, well, I pulled off the thing right here, but my CeraVe one. I just use this one in the shower. I'm gonna show you guys how to dermablade too, because I usually dermablade. I used to do it a lot, but I started giving it a break because it's not good to dermablade your face a lot. It's good to have hair on your face, so don't dermablade all the time. Since I just got out the shower, I'm gonna do the daily after I wash my face, which is my Noxzema pads. And then even though I just washed my face, look how much dirt was still in there. So the tools that you would need to dermablade is some razors and oil or aloe vera gel. I like to use oil because the aloe vera gel is too thick for me and it doesn't feel like it's really, you know, taking off the hair for real. And I know y'all peeped the new color. This was definitely a fail. It just looks darker than the color I just had. But I tried to do gray. So I did everything. I bleached my hair again. I put the gray on top. The gray made it too dark, so then I put in a gray toner, and then it just looks like ashy ginger. But I mean, I'm rocking with it. It's okay. It's alright. So to start, get a clean rag, put hot water on it, press it down into my face so my face can get wet, and I put the oil on top.
How's your eye?
We hit the ground and it's cops for the jealous. We in the bag and we murder the Tia. And I'm in a bad bitch and I got it to do. Oh yeah. I was just like this vision, like live it up. When she gets down, just like live it up. From the block, she did not hold a shot.
I did tweeze both of them, but just a little bit because there was some little hairs that the razor wouldn't get off. So the only thing I do after I'm done dermablading is I take the rag that I use with the hot water and I just wipe the excess oil off my face and the excess hair and everything. I honestly love doing this though because it makes my skin feel so clean. This next step I probably should have did before I dermabladed because it makes your pores like sting. So I'm gonna go through hell with this. but it's honestly my fault because I should have did this before I dermabladed. This is the Noxzema deep cleansing cream. Well, my eyebrows look so good, y'all. I love dermablading my eyebrows. Like, they look so clean. But I take this cream, I wet my face before I put it on there. Put this cream on my face, let it sit for about 10 to 15 minutes or just until it gets dry. So I'll just go chill on my phone, play the game, do something.
This bitch got me paying for tips. Diamonds on her neck, diamonds on her wrist. And here I am all alone, all alone. I'm so cold, you got me out here. I've been taking on all this baggage, adding on so much weight. Had me thinking that I was average, when you really don't play.
It's already starting to dry, but De'Ara put me on to lychee tea. Because when I heard talking about it, then I went to this place that's going to sell hibachi and sushi and all that. But I went there, I saw lychee on the menu. I was like, oh, that's what De'Ara was talking about. And I got me some lychee tea. When I tell y'all, I can drink a whole gallon.
Acting like the same and nothing to you is your tongue. Acting like you numb, it got me gone.
So after all of this wiped away, wash my face. And since I already used my Cetaphil in the shower, I'm gonna use my CeraVe to wash my face, which is this one. Last step of my skincare routine is I take this Pond's Advanced Hydrating Night Cream. I use this like when I get out the shower at night because I take my showers at nighttime, so I use this going to sleep. I use this in the morning when I wake up for school and after I wash my face. Watery texture, but I just like how it makes my skin feel. It feels real bouncy and tight. And this in to my skin. And that's it. I just go to sleep. This routine was like my Sunday skincare routine, like when I haven't done anything to my face in a while. And I just put some moisturizer on my lips. Literally my everyday routine is I take the deep cleansing cream in the shower when I first get in there. Then I use one of these and then get out, use these, and use this. And that's what I do every day. But the dermablading and everything is just when I haven't, you know, did that in a while. So, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And I will see you guys on my next drop.